The first word today we are going to learn is dodging. The word meaning is to avoid by a sudden quick movement. Let us look out for the examples here. The first example is the boy ran dodging merchants' carts near the circle. So basically he moved suddenly to avoid something. The second example is I crossed the highway dodging the traffic. Dodging means avoid by a sudden quick movement. Today's second word is swamp. Swamp. There are two meanings for swamp. One is an area of low-lying, uncultivated ground where water collects. And another meaning is overwhelm or flood with water. So let us see the first example here. Don't let feelings of depression swamp you. The second example is in summer, visitors swamp the island. These are the two examples for swamp. The third interesting word is reverberate. Reverberate. The word meaning is repeated several times as an echo. The synonym for this word is echo or resound. So here are some example sentences. Her deep, booming laugh reverberated around the room. Echo or resound. Her deep, booming laugh reverberated around the room. The second example is at night, dog barks noise could be heard reverberated around the walls of the building. Repeated several times as an echo. Reverberated. The next word is surmountable. Surmountable. The meaning of this word is overcome. Capable of being surmounted or overcome. So let us see the example sentences here. The first word is, it is not an easy problem to solve, but it is surmountable. Surmountable. That means we can overcome. The second sentence is, the challenges are big but surmountable. We can overcome. Ecstatic. The next word we are going to learn. The word meaning is excitement or feeling happiness, excitement or joyful excitement. The example sentence is, Sally was ecstatic about her new job. John was not exactly ecstatic about the news. These are the 5 words for today, and use them in your own sentence and write in a comment box. And thanks for watching.